Hello everyone and welcome back to Joe's Pokemon video. Today we're opening up the Lucario box. Just how I said before, this is part 2. The Morpeko was yesterday, and today we're on the Lucario box. I have updated the background, gotten some new products that I'll be opening on stream, including this Vivid Voltage sealed booster pack. These Japanese cards, I don't even know what they are, but I found them. There are 14 of them left to open. And all the way over here, the new collections box that has 7 sets. But today, we're focused on this Lucario V Star box, premium collection box. Let's get right into it. So taking off the top layer, we get these, we get a coin, if I can get it out. We get our very neat Lucario coin, our V, very cool, and the V Star card, as well as the promo card that came, the code card that came with the box. There you go. And let's sleeve up these two right here. The rest of the box included this V Star thing. I don't actually know what it is. It has a weird line across it. Maybe it's a defect. A very cool pin. I'm glad that these pins are coming back. I've always been a fan of them. A replica jumbo card, which we can put right into our binder of jumbo cards. There we go. And it looks like 6 packs, Brilliant Stars, 2 Fusion, 2 Brilliant Stars, 3 Fusion, and a Chilling Rain. Fusion Strike being the newest pack, obviously. Alright, let's get started with this Chilling Rain pack. Come on. Green and white. Oh, very cool. Save that card right for our 1,000th subscriber. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuppet. Blitzel. Diglett. And our last card. Oh, it's a V-MAX. I don't think I have this one yet. Good job, Chilling Rain. Alright, our Brilliant Stars is next. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. I have a couple Brilliant Stars sealed ETBs that I plan to open on video as well. I heard that Brilliant Stars has some great hits in there. And we got, ooh, a full art trainer. Very cool. Arms, yep. Is it a full art? I believe it's a full art trainer. I don't know if I have this one. Let's take a look at the back. Centering seems okay to me. And our last Brilliant Stars. Can we be 3 for 3 on some good hits? Code card. Upside down. There you go. Or 3 for 3 on the same type of energy. The manager of Panera Bread. Nose Pass. A very cool card. I love that artwork. And oh, it broke our streak. That's okay though. Getting into our fusion strikes. Let's see if we can pull one of those Alt Art Muse, or the Espeon, I believe is this one. One, two, three, four. A new type of energy. Totodile and just a regular rare. Next fusion strike. Code card. A Snorlax, chilling out in the sun. And our last one, oh, very cool, a Starmie. Alright, in our last pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Voltorb, very cool. Eevee. Ooh, a bell. And nothing. So we got all of our hits right up front. Alright, so we got our 2 hits out of 6 packs, not including the 2 Lucarios that came with the box. But we do have our obligatory Shining Fates pack. Let's get right into it. Maybe we'll do a Shining Fates booster box one of these days. If we don't get that Charizard. 2, 3, 4. Ball guy. Interesting character. Another Eevee trying to swim. Oh, we got a shiny coughing. Very cool. Always good to see a shiny. Shining Fates is just stacked. There's a whole lot to get. Alright, now we get to add our couple cards to our collections. I know the full art page is up here nice and early. Oh, the V-MAX first. We'll put these 2 in here. Do I have this one? I do have this one. That's okay. And Lucario. Here are our trainers. I don't have this trainer to add to our trainers. Very cool. Our shinies page right here. And then our V. And he could actually just go right there. Perfect. Alright everyone, that's going to do it for the end of this video. Those were the 2 brand new packs that just came out as of April 2022. The next pack that we will be getting into is this Jolteon V-MAX pack. A very cool one. I do have all 3, so we will be getting into all 3 of them, but we'll be starting with Jolteon because he's my favorite. But this looks great. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. We're on video 3 of 3. I appreciate it. Please leave me down some comments on what I can do to improve. Is the music too loud? Am I too quiet? Is the card noise too loud? Tell me what I can do to make the videos better as a viewing experience. And I appreciate it. Everyone have a good day.